Good morning, students. Today our topic is weather and climate. The term weather refers to the hour-to-hour and day-to-day condition of atmosphere, while the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time refers to the climate of the place. Various elements influence weather and climate. The major elements of atmosphere that impact human life on the earth are temperature, precipitation, humidity, wind, and atmospheric pressure. These elements can change under varying conditions. The first is temperature. Temperature of the atmosphere varies not only between day or night but also across season. Just as summer tend to be hotter than winters, an important factor affecting temperature distribution is insolations. The amount of insolation decreases from equator towards the poles, hence the temperature decreases from equator towards the poles. Next is humidity. The humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air or in a specific environment. It's a measure indicating the amount of water in the form of gas related to the maximum capacity it could hold at a given temperature. Humidity can influence our comfort and well-being, as high level of humidity can make us feel hotter and heavier, while low level can cause dryness in the skin and mucous membranes. Additionally, humidity also affects the formation of cloud, rain, and other weather phenomena. It is the condition when clothes take longer to dry and sweat evaporates more slowly, leaving us feeling very uncomfortable. Next is precipitation. It occurs when the part of the atmosphere becomes stirred with water vapor, with condensation and precipitation, or falls on the earth due to gravity. This includes drizzles, snow, sleets, hails. The main factors that affect precipitation include prevailing winds, mountain, and seasons. When the precipitation falls on the earth in liquid form, it is called the rain. Rain is the most common form of the precipitation, and the lower the temperature of a place. A long absence of rainfall results in a dry climate. Most of the groundwater is collected from the rainwater. So study well about the weather and climate and its factor which influence the condition of weather and climate, and study well about further. Thank you, students.